Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Code for Kids. How are you all? How was the day? I hope you are enjoying your day. So today we are going to learn about one game which is long jump. So first I will run this project. I will show you the result, then we will start this. So once you will play this, if you will click on the flag. So over here So this is our game. This game we are going to create today, which is long jump. Okay. So over here we have lots of levels. So first I will explain you which backdrop we will require here and which sprite we will require here. Okay. So for this, how you will add your backdrop, how you will add your sprite. If you want, I will give you my previous video link. You can watch in that. So you will get how you will add the backdrop and how you will add your sprite. So first we will require this backdrop. As you can see here, we have a three shades. Okay. After this, we will require lots of sprite. So our first sprite is player. So as you can see, we have this player. We have two color. This is our center and this is center too. And we have a name as a player. Then we will require our second sprite, which is crown. So here we have a costume one, which is welcome to long jump. Then we have a costume two as you go on. Costume three, the jump get longer. Then we have a costume four, which is and more difficult. Costume five, good luck. Costume six. Then we have a costume seven, hint use the wall above you. Then we have a costume eight, nine, 10. So I will give you this project link also so that you can practice for this. So you have to add all these costumes inside your crown sprite. After this, we have a third sprite which is spikes. So for spike also we have lots of costumes like this is our first costume. Then we have a costume two, costume three, four, five, six. So you have to add all these costumes in order to provide difficulty level for your game. Then we have a thumbnail which is long jump game. So instead of this design, if you want, you can add other designs also according to your choice. Okay. Now we are going to see how you will add your sprites. So first we will start with player. So for the player, we are going to first spine of screen. It means how your player will jump. So we will start with how you will create your variable. So the very first thing variable is like we have to store something inside that. So for that we will click on the variable, make a new variable. You have to write your variable name. So we will create two variable date and player date. Okay. So which is here date and we have a player date. Once you will create this variable, so we will start this variable with one. Like in the date we have a one, in the player date we have a one. We want to repeat this 20 times and we have to change the effect of this player. So for this is my block. You have to make a block. Write down your block name, which is player, a spine of screen. So once you will finish this, then we are going to start the second part, which is when we will click on the flag. So in the forever, we want to play the sound, which is nebula. How you will get a sound? Click on the sound tab. We can search here. For example, if you want the same sound, so whatever sound you want, we have all these sounds here. Whatever sound you want, you can add from here. Okay. After this, when flag is clicked, we have to broadcast one matches, which is all right. Okay. Now, as you can see here, we used this, which is spine of screen. Now we are going to create the reset block. So in the reset, again, you need to click on my block, make a block, write a name reset. Once you will finish this, we have to clear the graphic effect. We have to go to some particular position and we will point in direction. As you can see, we want this right because always we have to move to the right side. So we will take this. If you want to move to the up, this direction you have to take here. So we want to move to the right. So we will add the 90. Now in the date xv yv, again this is our variable for x-axis, y-axis. We want to start with 0. Now once we will receive the next level. Now next level means what? Every time we have to, once you will finish your first level, you have to go to the next level. Okay. So once we will receive the next level, here we have to change a level by 1, set the change 1 and we will reset this. And once we will receive this all right bros. Now what we want here, if I will press the right arrow, if I will press the key D or mouse, so we have to change our x-axis. Same we will do for left arrow. So here we want to change with positive because right axis means what? This is our stage. So if you want to move here on the right side, so this is our positive x. We need to change the positive. If you want to move to the left, we need to change the negative x. If you want to move to the up, we have to change a positive y. If you want to move to the down, we need to change the negative y. So this is our coordinate system. So over here, in the same way, if you will press the left arrow or A, we have to change a minus because we have to go to the negative sign. And if we will touch to the ground, we will change our y. If we will again touch to the ground, so we will change our y. Okay. So once you will finish this part, we are going to do for if you will touch to the ground. Ground means this sprite. So again, we have to change our y and we have to change our x. After this, when flag is clicked, we have to set the level. So we will start with 1. So our first level is the 1. And again, if you will press the up arrow or W or mouse down, so we have to move to the up. Again, we want to set the direction like you want to move to the left or right. So you have to set the direction. And once you will receive your all right pros, let's go. So the change we want to start with 0. And now if your X position is 240 and dead is 0, we have to broadcast next level. It means we have to go to the next level. Okay. And then we have a one player. So how we will get that player again and again? This is the big question. So for that, we have to select our forever. Forever means if you want to do anything again and again. So inside the forever, we want to create the clone. And once we will start a clone, we have to switch the costume because for the player, we have a two costume, center 1 and 2. We have a blue and black color. And once you will finish that part, we have to delete the clone. And again, when we will receive all right, bro, let's go. Now, if your Y position is minus 179, it means the down. So we have to spin the screen. So this is our first player part. After this, suppose if you have any question, you can write in the comment section. Now we are going to see the ground. So ground is very easy. We have a two thing. When flag is click, so we have to switch to the next costume. Once we will receive the next level, we have to change the costume. Why? Because we have all these levels. In every level, we are going to change the costume. Same we will do for Spike also. So Spike is like when flag is clicked, we have to switch the costume. Again, once we will receive the next level, we have to change a Spike costume also. And the most important, the thumbnail. When flag is clicked, we have to go to the front lane, then we will hide this. So in this way, we can create this long jump game. Try this game. I will give you the project link in the description box. You can see and you can try. And whatever query you will get, please mention in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest updates. So thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.